Nope, you guys, he took our bait again. He done took our bait again. These fishes are getting smart, you guys. What's up? We got 2 people watching. What is up, you guys? Hope y'all are having a fantastic day. Thank you for tuning with me. We're just out here fishing with some. Ow, what is that, dude? Felt like a thorn or something. Ow, you guys. Here, before we make another cast, I am gonna spray myself with some bug spray because I don't know what I just got bit by. I got bit by something. Oh. Oops, sorry about that, you guys. I'm gonna set you down right here. We got 13 people joining. What is up, you guys? Hope y'all are having a fantastic day. We're out here at the creek fishing, but I just got bit by something. So I'm gonna hose myself down with some bug spray. Hopefully they stop messing with me. Oh, you guys, we're running low on bug spray. We're running low on bug spray, you guys. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. We're trying to reach to 2,000 subscribers. I know we can do it, you guys. I know we can reach 2,000 subscribers. We're just gonna put another piece of dough bait on there. And it is starting to rain, so I don't know how long I'll be able to stay out here. Oh, whatever got me good, dude. What is that? It's like a bee or something. What? So confused. Oh, you guys, it's starting to rain. Hopefully I can catch a fish real quick. I think we're gonna have to pack up and go. Red bait on the hook, make another cast. So far, nothing, you guys. We ain't got nothing yet. Did he pick me off? Yep, he picked me off though. He done took my bait, you guys. He left me baitless. Baitless. All right, I'm gonna put one of these worms on there now. Oh, not these worms, one of these goat minnows. That way he can't steal my bait. Little minnow. Let's see if they'll bite down on a minnow. Casting it out there. Give it a little twitch, a little twitch, a little twitch. Reel it in, a little twitch, reel it in. Simple as that, you guys. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button if you like the outdoors, or if you like seeing people getting stung by mosquitoes. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, because we're out here getting eaten up. Guys, haven't had a single bite since I threw it out there. Normally they'll just on, dude. Look, here's that ant bite I was telling you about. I think that's a bee sting. What do you guys think? You guys see it? You guys see that? What is that, a bee sting? Oh, it hurts. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. No, you guys, I don't think they want that minnow. I don't think they want this minnow at all, you guys. No minnow. All right, let's try a gulp. A gulp worm. Maybe they want a worm. Let's give it a shot. Simple rig. We're just gonna make a cast out there. Boom. All right, now a little twitchy twitch, little twitchy twitch. See, look, this one got eaten up on the instant. Look at that. Fish on, you guys. Oh, never mind, I lied. Fish on, you guys. Fish on. First catch of today. Gotta show the GoPro first, then I'm gonna show you guys. Check that out. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. We just caught a fish. Look at the belly on this sucker. Check that out. A little long ear sunfish. I'm gonna get the hook out of this guy's mouth. Give it a little lip. Check that guy's out. Boom. He going in the water. He's gone, you guys. On the gulp worm. Told you guys, this thing catches. This thing works. They can't pick that off now. Oh, we got another fish. You guys. We got another fish. Y'all hear that drag? Ooh. Fish number two, you guys. Ooh, this one's a bigger one too. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're out here catching these fish for you guys. Check that out. Give me my hook back, man. We caught one, you guys. We're just gonna give him some dough bait. Shove it down his mouth. He has some dough bait in his mouth, and we're just gonna throw him back. So not only did we catch a fish, but we also fed him. And then we released him. Now, you guys, it's gonna be raining all next week, so I don't think I'll be able to come out here because I don't have a waterproof camera. I do for my GoPro, but not for live streaming. No way, he took my worm? Dude, they took my fake worm. That's nuts. That is crazy. Crazy. All right, we're gonna throw in this little minnow. Now this is the same as the goat minnows or the goat worms. It's just a minnow. Now I think I gotta head home in about 5 minutes because the rain's starting to pick up. I don't want my phone to break. That would not be good, you guys. All right, one more cast and then I should be heading out of here. See, I don't think they like eating minnows out here. Tiny Tim fishing, what's happening? We're just out here fishing, brother. Sorry about that, can't speak. We're out here fishing with the pocket rod. We got a little minnow. Yo, I have returned, just got out of school, feel better now. Heck yeah, brother. You feeling better, car guy? We're out here for a quick live stream. I couldn't be out here this morning, but I'm out here now. But I think I gotta head home because it's raining. Here, I'll show you guys the raindrops on the creek. I don't know if you can see those little raindrops. We caught a fish. Hold on. Yeah, I'm still on. Nice. Let's go. We just got a little creek chub, you guys, on the minnow skinner. Let's go. Now give me my hook back, you little son of a gun. All right, before we send him off, I am gonna feed him some dough bait because he came to say what's up. And I'm guessing he's hungry because he bit our hook, right? Makes sense? We're just gonna shove his throat with some food. Get you guys up and personal. And now he's going back in the creek. All right, you guys, one more fish. Fishing in the rain is when they bite, though. I do know that, but I don't have well, I can't really show it to you guys, but I'm live streaming from my phone and my phone isn't waterproof. But I am gonna have a bunch of YouTube videos out soon for you guys. Go make another cast. Look, instant, they just chomped it. Fish, oh no, never mind. Spoke too soon. All right, you guys, I'm gonna cast it out there a little bit further now. Much to Jacob's surprise, Esau ran to meet him, and he gave Jacob a big hug. They were so happy to see each other again. Joseph's colorful robe, Genesis 37. Joseph was one of Jacob's 12 sons. Jacob loved him more than all of his other sons.